Pfizer stock is trading around $25, and most investors think it's done for. But what if I told you that this so-called dead stock could actually be the biggest opportunity of the next 2 years? Because history shows, when the crowd gives up, that's when real investors step in. Welcome back to Money Move IQ, the channel where we break down the smartest moves in stocks, investing, and wealth building. Today, we're diving deep into Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, and asking the big question, is this a $25 trap or the comeback of the decade? Let's find out. Let's rewind for a second. Remember 2021? Pfizer was a global hero. COVID vaccines, billions in revenue, and headlines everywhere. But fast forward to 2025, and the hype is gone. The stock dropped over 50% from its highs. Why? Because investors hate boring. They chase shiny AI stocks, tech hype, and quick wins. But here's what smart money knows: boring can be profitable. Pfizer isn't sexy right now, but that's exactly what makes it valuable. Pfizer's trading near $25 with a dividend yield around 6%. That's huge for a blue-chip stock. Its P/E ratio is under 12, half of what the S&P 500 averages. That means you're paying less for every dollar of earnings compared to most big names. Meanwhile, Pfizer's free cash flow remains strong, and they're still investing billions into new drug research, including oncology and mRNA tech. When fear takes over, fundamentals are ignored. That's when the patient investors quietly build their positions. Pfizer's future isn't just about COVID. It's about innovation, especially in oncology, rare diseases, and gene therapy. They've got over 80 active programs in the pipeline. Their recent acquisition of Seagen gives them cutting-edge cancer drug technology. And here's the twist. Wall Street isn't pricing any of that in yet. So while others sleep, Pfizer's literally reinventing itself behind the scenes. Real investors see beyond the headlines. They invest where the future is being built, not where the crowd is cheering. Let's talk about dividends. Pfizer's paying you over 6% a year just to hold the stock. That's better than most savings accounts, and if you reinvest those dividends, your return compounds fast. While traders panic, income investors quietly build passive income machines. Imagine turning your portfolio into a paycheck. That's the difference between chasing wealth and building it. Most investors sell at the bottom and buy at the top. Why? Fear. They can't stand red charts, even when those red charts are opportunities. When Pfizer dropped below $30, retail investors ran away. But history shows every blue-chip stock that's been written off eventually rebounds. Think Apple in 2013, Microsoft in 2015. The same psychology repeats. If you want to win in this game, you must think long-term. Fear is temporary. Discipline pays forever. Analysts have quietly started upgrading PFE. Many see fair value around $35 to $40 over the next 12 to 18 months. If you factor in dividend yield plus potential capital gains, you're looking at 30 to 50% total return potential, without taking tech stock level risks. Pfizer doesn't have to double overnight. It just needs to keep executing, paying that dividend, and growing earnings. That's the beauty of value investing. The best investors don't predict the future. They position for it. They buy quality when it's quiet. They hold through fear. Pfizer is one of those plays that rewards patience, not panic. Remember Warren Buffett's words, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Right now, everyone's fearful. Is Pfizer a trap? Not if you understand the fundamentals, not if you can wait. This isn't about chasing hype. It's about owning strength while it's undervalued. Because one day, when Pfizer starts climbing again, everyone will say, "I should have bought when it was $25. You've just unlocked another power move with Money Move IQ. If this helped you see the bigger picture, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. I invest with vision. Remember, the real wealth isn't built in bull markets. It's built in patience, discipline, and smart positioning. I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay invested, and keep making your money moves. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.